Today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices. Dear ladies and gentlemen, you're holding any Bitcoin, any altcoins, XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Sui, it doesn't really matter. This video is made for you. I want to talk about price targets, about my actually counting it together, maybe 50 million US dollar trades on Bitcoin, on altcoins, my price targets and much, much more. What I have to share for you today might be something for the history books. So let's go straight into the content. And before I'm going into it, before I talk about my price targets, my trades and much more, the only thing I'm asking you for is smash up the like button to a new all-time high and leave your top 3 favorite altcoins in the comment section down below. I am making more altcoin content these days. As you know, yesterday I uploaded my top 7 altcoin video. I am, of course, planning to also upload more about that very soon. You know, the last time I did that was actually in November last year. And well, what happened afterwards, we all know that, right? So now let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about altcoins. First of all, I want to show you the trades, give you a quick update here on that. My short-term Bitcoin trade, $1 million in a profit. The Sui trade, $32,000 in a profit. XRP trade exploding today. I am sharing these ones already for a long time since I opened them over on Twitter. If you are following me over there, I mean, I can show you I'm posting daily updates with very, very important, interesting metrics with my new positions and everything. You need to follow me over on Twitter at MMCrypto with 1.7 million followers. None of these fake accounts. Be careful. Solana exploding, 360,000. The long-term Bitcoin trade exploding, $13.5 million in a profit. The short-term Ethereum trade, $670,000 in a profit. And the other short-term Ethereum trade, $77,000 in a profit. Now the question is, of course, how can we determine that altcoins are going higher? Well, as always, Bitcoin is the harbinger for that. But now things have switched with that new Ethereum update and Ethereum actually getting back some strength. We also having Ethereum as a harbinger for altcoins to move. It trickles down from Bitcoin to Ethereum. Now Ethereum getting some independent strength. And when Ethereum pumps also, we see a trickle down effect towards the other altcoins. So let's check that out here first of all. And before I go into the charts, dear ladies and gentlemen, of course, I do want to remind you also on something else I was posting earlier, where I said, listen, this Bitcoin bull is only over once we are overbought. In this case, on the monthly candles, we are not overbought yet. This bull market is not over yet. I think it is over soon, but it's not over yet, and the best is yet to come. Bitcoin, the final pump, something else I was posting earlier also, right? Now the question is, are we going higher or not? And this is one of the most interesting times for Bitcoin because we need to break this one specific level. Bitcoin needs to break. It needs to break on a weekly. We need to close above 104,600 US dollars. If Bitcoin does not close above, we are still in double top territory. That is the most interesting part always when we are breaking higher. Yes, we called this break here. Yes, we called for 102,000. And now that we are at this resistance, we need to break it. If we don't break it, double top, which I think is not very likely. And if we do break it, well, dear ladies and gentlemen, blue skies ahead, 118,000 US dollars as the next price target for Bitcoin. Therefore, of course, Ethereum, which is more independent right now, also to be expected to pump towards the upside. I mentioned price targets from up to 3,700 US dollars for Ethereum. And therefore, we are going to see altcoins to explode when Ethereum explodes and especially when Bitcoin explodes. Dear ladies and gentlemen, this was already it for today. But you need to follow me not only over on Twitter. Please do not forget that I am also sharing my trades very soon again on Levex, the second link. On Bybit, you get the highest bonus, and on Bitunix, you get a 20% deposit bonus. So you deposit $2,000, you get $400 completely for free by using my link in the pinned comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Dear ladies and gentlemen, we are going to see each other very soon at the next MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.